Welcome, class. Today our session title is Week 8, Session 32, Formula Mastery and Hydrates Intro. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to strengthen formula interpretation and introduce hydrates as compounds with water in fixed ratios. Listen for these key terms: hydrate, anhydrous, formula mass, ratio, water of hydration. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. Formulas are ratio statements. In ionic compounds, they give formula unit ratios. In molecular compounds, they give atom counts per molecule. In hydrates, they also include water molecules in a fixed ratio. Hydrates are written with a dot, such as CuSO4.5H2O. When you feel stuck, ask, what did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it? The core model is this. Treat the dot in a hydrate as plus fixed water in the crystal. Include the water when calculating molar mass. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first, then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now let's work an example. Molar mass of a hydrate. For CuSO4.5H2O, calculate molar mass of CuSO4, then add 5 times the molar mass of water. Using approximate masses, CuSO4 is 63.55 plus 32.07 plus 64.00 equals 159.62 grams per mole. 5 waters add 5 times 18.02 equals 90.10 grams per mole. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning, not from guessing. Here is a second example. When a hydrate is heated, water can be driven off, leaving the anhydrous compound. The mass loss can be used to determine how many waters were present per formula unit. Now answer this self-check. In CuSO4.5H2O, how many water molecules are associated with each CuSO4 unit? A strong answer should include 5. Hint: the coefficient before H2O gives the water ratio. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Find the molar mass of MgSO4.7H2O. Task 2. Explain what anhydrous means. Task 3. Describe how heating can provide evidence for water of hydration. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.